Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open the keyboard. And right now we can take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings, which should be in this place. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so in order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard, and we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm sure that you will find the language you want to use. So after finding it, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me pick the language with the graphical letters. Let me pick Arabic. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So do the same, just tap on the one you'd like to use. Here we've got some keyboard options to choose from. So just pick one you like the most and tap on done. As you can see, our language immediately appears on the list, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see here, we've got two differences between this keyboard and the previous one. Firstly, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will help us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, obviously. Let's say English. And after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again, and as you can see, it's very easy. So okay, so if we are done with adding the language to the keyboard, because this is how you can do it, we can also remove the language from the list, because for some reason you do not need two of them. So let's enter the settings again. Let's tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon here, and let's mark the one you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so we can go back and let's check. On the spacebar we've got actually the empty spacebar, and we cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we cannot change the language. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.